All right, let's solve the next problem. So here we're going to use, with all these problems, we're going to use the same data set. We have a mean of 71 and a standard deviation of 14. This question is, what proportion of students scored below a score of 89 on the exam? So, first step always, draw a graph. Second step, calculate your z-score. In this case, the z-score is 89 minus 71 over 14, or a value of 1.29. Step number 3, place it on the axis. 1.29 is going to be about, whoops, a little crooked. Going to be about there. All right. Step number 4 is shade. Read the question. What proportion scored below an 89? That's everything this way. All right. We've got our shaded regions. Step 5 is to go to the z-table. And once again, let's see what we're going to look for in the z-table. Now, this is a mistake people often make. They often think that from here to the end is column 3 in the z-table. But of course, that's not the case. Remember, it's only z to the mean is column 2. Z to the end is column 3. That is all the z-table is going to give you. When you go look up this z-score in the z-table in column 1, it's going to give you this proportion in column 2 and this proportion in column 3. So you got to look at what the shaded area is and how you get that answer. I hope you can see that this half right here of the graph is literally half the graph, or 0.5000. So that's a piece of our answer. The other piece is this region right here. So if we go to the z-table and get the column 2 value for 1.29 and add it to 0.5000, that will get our answer. Let's go to the z-table now and find out what that answer is. All right, here's the z-table from the link in our lesson. And we want to scroll down and find 1.29 in lesson 1. There are multiple pages of the z-table, so you got to do a little scrolling. There it is right there, 1.29. And we're looking for column 2. Column 2 is 0.4015. And remember, we had to take column 2 and add it to 0.5000. So if you take this and do that, we end up with an answer of 0.9015. Or over 90% of students scored below a score of 89. So if you got a score of 89, you did pretty good. So 0.9015 is our answer for this problem.